with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. It's August 1st, so it's time to share our new subscriptions for the month. I'm super excited about these, and I hope if you're a subscriber, you're going to be super excited to get them delivered to your door. If you're not a subscriber, it is a terrific month to subscribe. Let me show you what we've got in store for you. I will start out with our foil subscription. So our foil subscription, you get a full roll of our foil. I'm hiding it for the moment, and then I'll show you how pretty it is. And you also get a couple of foilables. Let's unroll this baby. So this month, we have Satin Ginger. This is a beautiful, beautiful rusty color. Kind of looks like nutmeg or cinnamon. I called it ginger. It's just a beautiful fall, rusty, orangish brown color. But it has a beautiful satin finish. Something you can't find in any other foils. This is our Satin Ginger. So you're going to get a whole roll of that with the foil subscription. That's 6 1/4 inches wide by 25 feet. You can make lots of beautiful fall cards with this. The first foilable you're going to get in your foil subscription are these foilable panels, and this is the burlap foilable panels. So it kind of looks like a burlap texture there. Doesn't that look gorgeous with that satin ginger? So I give you the positive and the negative. So the one will foil the background, and then the other one foils the design. So you can do lots of variety of foiling with our foilables. And next in the foil subscription, we've got the Fall Greetings foilable sheets. We have 4 different designs, and you get 2 of each for a total of 8 sheets. So these are lovely fall card panels that you can create. We've got 2 of each, like I said. So this one foils the outline of some, but then the pumpkins and some of the letters. And the fun thing about these is later when we do our product release, our regular product release for the month, you can not only get more of these foilables, but you can get, look at that one, that's pretty. It's going to foil the whole design. You can also get, we have a coordinating stencil to go with these so that you can use the stencil to color in the designs, so you can foil and color them in and get beautiful, beautiful cards. This one foils the background. This is the Fall Greetings foilable sheets. You get 2 of that one as well. These make super quick and simple fall cards. Just foil and go. It's got your sentiment on it. You can back it on a pretty colored cardstock, whatever you like. Our foil subscription goes out on the 5th of the month, and it's $21.99. Free shipping within the US, and that is the foil subscription. Next up, we have the Stamp and Die subscription. So for the stamp of the month, you get a 4x6 stamp set delivered to your door. We ship them on the 10th. And if you do the Stamp and Die, you also get the coordinating die. Here I just have my sample that I get, but I wanted to show you the die. This is Field of Dreams. This was done by our newer illustrator, Yuzu. She does the most adorable little characters and critters. These little scarecrows are so sweet. They've got little crows to go with them, some sunflowers. There's a kite and a balloon. It says, "Our friendship is something to crow about. You're the sunflower in my field of dreams, and with you, I never feel lonely." So sweet. So the stamp of the month, where you just get the stamp, is $12 and shipped free within the US. And the Stamp and Die of the month is $24, shipped free within the US. That's a great value. The stamp and die will go for sale with the regular release later in the month for $16 for the stamp and $18 for the die. So you can see the value of getting the stamp and die subscription. Now we're going to talk about the Crafty Courtyard Kit. Our Crafty Courtyard Kit goes out on the 15th of the month. It's $34.99 base price, and then we do add shipping anywhere it goes because it's over £1 for the box. We always give you a handy dandy mesh zippered bag, our little project bag, so you can keep everything in the kit together, or you can store other items. You can take your crafting products on the go, whatever you like to do with the bag. We've got our mesh bag. You're going to get a flyer that tells you what's in the kit, and on the back of your flyer you're also going to get some card sketches. I try to give you some card sketches to just jumpstart your creativity with the kit. Look at these. That already gives you a little hint of what it's inside. So our August Crafty Courtyard Kit, I call it Season of Gratitude. We like to release our fall products in August because you want to start thinking about the fall. It's coming up, even though here in Florida, oh my goodness, it feels nothing like fall. We are still in the heat of summer here. So we've got a list of what's inside. I am going to show you what we've got. We're giving you 2 specialty sheets of paper. So we've got this beautiful gold foiled paper. We've got an orange glitter sheet. Oh, this is just beautiful and sparkly. The glitter does not shed, just like our glitter paper, and it die cuts beautifully. We've got 4 sheets of colored cardstock. We've got our Lakeside, beautiful teal, brownstone, it's a nice light brown, wildflowers, which is a beautiful deep rich orange, and then our coffee shop, which is like a coffee brown, deep rich brown. And then you've got a sheet of white cardstock to go along with that. Now let's talk about the other parts of the kit. We have a beautiful sequin mix. These are metallics. Without that metallic shine, they kind of have a satin finish. I just thought they were really pretty and different. So you get a muted metallic color here with copper, gold, and silver, but they have a nice satin finish. Gonna get a pack of sticky gems, and these are called the oranges. We've got 3 shades of orange, anywhere from this beautiful light color, nice little cream coral orange, and then a deep rich orange. That matches our wildflowers cardstock really well. Next up this month, you are getting a 6x6 embossing folder. Our embossing folders give you nice deep impressions, and this is burlap. This is going to be so cool to get a nice burlap background for your cards and other projects. We've got a large 6x6 stamp set in this month's kit. It's called Season of Gratitude, and it's got this nice little foliage set stamp here. We've given you all the pieces to stamp to color those in. So if you don't like to color with markers, you can stamp and color them. And then we've got the sentiments: grateful for you, a season of gratitude, autumn blessings, and happy Thanksgiving. This is what the stamp set looks like. We've got coordinating dies in the kit. So the dies will cut out that foliage bunch. It cuts out the 4 sentiments. And I've given you a shape die. Isn't that cool? So you can stamp that foliage grouping right here in this curve of this, and then put your sentiment. You can also stamp it upside down here, so you get 2. I mean, there's so many things you can do, but I thought I'd give you this cool extra little bonus little shaped die there to go along with the coordinating dies for the stamp set. And last but certainly not least, you're going to get a sample pack of our fall ginghams pattern papers. So these are 8.5 by 5.5. And they're just beautiful colors. There's that beautiful teal. We've got like a deep, rich burgundy. We've got a couple of shades of gold and oranges. Got brown. It's like a nice wine color. We've got sage or olive green, and then a deep, deep navy blue. Beautiful backgrounds for your cards, your fall projects, maybe in your journals, your art journals, junk journals, whatever you are working on. We've got the fall ginghams sample pack. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at the Pink and Main August 2025 subscriptions. If you're not a subscriber, like I said, it's a terrific month to subscribe. We've got some great fall items for you. And you can find out more and subscribe over at pinkandmain.com. And until I see you next time, keep living the creative life.